What is up, guys? Kimura here. Welcome to my vlog. And today is Friday, so we're going back to Pampanga. And let's see kung gaano ka-rush hour pag ganito, pag Friday, uwian, papuntang northbound. Cause di ko pa nasubukan eh. So time check, it's 3:40 ng hapon. So let's see kung gaano kalala ang traffic. So nakaset ang ating GPS papunta ng G. Araneta Skyway. So for today's trip, dadaan tayo ng Skyway. Mukhang nagsushortcut tayo. So yeah, dadaan tayo ng SM something Santa Mesa, I guess, mamaya. Back in the main road. So as you can see above us, yan yung LRT2, papunta ng LRT1. Dito tayo dadaan. It's actually my first time na dumaan dito. So ang cons lang is maraming traffic light sa part na to, dahil per station yan ng mga LRT1. Kaya yun, hindi maiwasan yung mga sudden stop. Yeah, so hopefully smooth ang ating magiging biyahe. I was deciding kanina na umalis na, bumiyahe na, pero umulan dito sa bandang QC, kaya pinatila muna natin yung ulan. Mapapansin nyo, hindi ganun kalakas yung sinag ng araw, parang maambon pa rin. Naabutan pa ng red stop. guys, gagawin lang natin ngayon is bumalik ng Pampanga. And magiging NLEX gaming to actually. Yeah, NLEX gaming tayo. After this, Skyway tayo, and then hopefully sa bandang Valenzuela hindi ganun ka traffic. Valenzuela, Karahutan, somewhere there sobrang traffic. Let's see. For now, let's just enjoy the ride papunta ng Skyway. Okay, I think this is it. Turn right with care. Alright guys, Skyway approaching. Pwede natin alisin yung map natin. Yan. Holy fuck. But traffic. Hindi. Something like mga papunta ng Quezon Ave. Mga pababa. Alright. That's why it's traffic.
A few minutes later.
Oops. Alright guys, so tayo sa Skyway. ganito pala ang POV kapag nasa Skyway tapos nakamotor. At hindi ganun gaano kalakas yung araw, hindi, yung sikat ng araw wala, halos maambon, cloudy. Yeah, buti na lang ginamit natin today is ND16 para sa ating filter ng camera. So hopefully hindi siya ganun kadilim. Pero yeah, bahala na. Time check, it's 4 PM na. It's rush hour. So mamaya sa NLEX kailangan natin mag lane splitting. Read it please. Alright. Alright guys, let's go.
Few moments later.
It's the traffic. This is why I bought a motorcycle instead of kuha ko ng sasakyan. You can do this sa NLEX. Pero yeah, kailangan lang maging careful kasi di mo alam mga ano pumapasok or anong next move ng mga sasakyan sa harap mo. You have to be defensive driver. guys, NLEX Lakeshore. Coffee muna tayo dito guys, kasi isang oras lang yung biyahe natin. Time check, it's 5. Alex Lakeshore. So far so good. Nakadating din tayo ng safe. So that's the good thing. Hey guys, pasok na tayo ng Starbucks para bumili ng coffee. At labas tayo mamaya dito sa Mexico. Lapit na lang. So yeah guys, paalis na tayo here at Lakeshore. So nag-order lang tayo ng coffee para magpahinga, quick stop, at yeah, bakbakan na ulit. Anyway, yeah, pabalik na tayo ng ating hometown. So lalabas tayo ng Mexico NLEX. And kung napapansin nyo, nipat ko yung motor. So kanina din tayo nakapark at nilipat ko siya dito kasi yung ganda ng araw. So nag picture taking muna tayo. So by the way, cold start natin. Let's go. That's good, may traffic enforcer na dito kasi itong part na to, the traffic din dito eh. Kulit. That's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Tapusin ko na yung vlog for today. Thanks God dahil nakauwi tayo ng ligtas. Yeah, ride safe guys, see you next.